Hello, my loving greeting to all of you, and always welcome to my fitbaneraho YouTube channel. Sun salutation of practicing towards the sun and in the shining light of the sun, and then if done in the open air, the body becomes luminous like the sun. Sun salutation is actually combination of 16 limbs. But here we will do Surya Namaskar of 49 marks only. Sun salutation is counted among the best asanas of any yoga practitioner. Beginners do sun salutation as an exercise. When you get used to it, do Surya Namaskar like a yoga. Also take care of your body too. Do it only once in the entire days, and then gradually increasing it 5 times as per your wish. Many people do it even 108 times. Or do you do it more than once? Now let's talk little about the benefits of sun salutation. The most important advantage is that the body becomes bright like the sun. It becomes radiant. It is filled with radiance and radiance. The whole body gets benefits. They are physically and mentally healthy, and there is health. There is instant freshness, enthusiasm, and agility in the body. Every part of the body becomes strong and powerful. The body length increases. There is more flexibility in the spine and waist. There are many other benefits of sun salutation. If I go to tell about the all benefits, then the video will also become a long, and then you will also start getting bored. So friends, support me and subscribe me my channel, and also press the bell icon of all notification, and then like, comment and share also. Thank you very much for watching my video. So have a nice day. Love you all and take care.